Today's haul. A little too hot for me and the winch motor, so we ended up taking home half. The other half is gonna come home in a few days. Okay, we got the log on the mill. We're in the beginning of a heat wave, from what I'm told. Cars keep going by. So we get it on. I don't know what it is. I'm thinking beach. I'm not sure. I'm hoping one of you guys can tell me. And we're gonna get ready to make our first cut. See what the inside of this looks like. I think I'm going to start real thin because there's a hump in the middle. And I think if I just nick that end, I'm going to be down in here somewhere on this. I don't think it can be avoided. Humps in every direction. So we'll see. I'm inside my tape for the final cut, so the blade can exit. The stop's on, log's secure. Let's see what's in it. Better hear the noise of the mill. Boy, I tell you, I wish you could smell this. It smells like checkerberry. You know those little red berries that grow in the woods in the Northeast? It smells exactly like checkerberry or winterberry, whatever you want to call them. A little itty bitty tiny plant. I'd show you some, but I haven't seen any around here in a long time. So, here's what we've got. Wow. Wow, 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 look at that. Look at that. And the smell is absolutely amazing. It's making me hungry. Wow. Looky, looky, looky. That is insane. Look how white that is. Wow, that is awesome. I think I'm going to take another piece out of that. Get a couple small pieces just to have around. Probably get a, maybe I get a foot long 1x2 out of that. It's a shame to make it, just throw it away or burn it. But yeah, holy moly. Oh, it smells awesome. Check this out. There's the tea-berry, I think is the other name for it. Back in the day, I think they still make it. Tea-berry gum. Go get a pack and try it, because that's exactly what this smells like. That's incredible. There we go, cut number 2. I'm going to remill those. It was really fat on this end, so let's see if I can get some short pieces out of these two. Probably the next 2 that come off as well. But yeah, it's get some good pieces out of that. Have a little wane on most of them, but I think I'll get the most number of boards out of this, the widest anyway. But look at that. Look at that. The smell, I'm telling you, is bringing back childhood memories. Those berries used to grow in the woods. I used to eat them as a kid, chew the leaves like gum. And you could buy the gum. I don't know if they still make it or not. Yeah, it's quite the smell. Okay, we're down to a plant. A bit of rain in the plant. We can start making some boards. Okay, we got 8. Looks like they're 1x9s, most of them. Not bad. Alright, that's it for this. There's another bee by the forks. Alright. Catch me in the next one.